Cryptos are back, and well, how do I know that? Well, Coinbase is up again. So this is the monthly chart on Coinbase, and Coinbase is a huge proxy um, and follows Bitcoin price, whether it moves up or down. And you can see um, over a year ago, we had this on the monthly chart, this head and shoulder. That's around the time Bitcoin bottomed, around $18,000. And then price has steadily climbed. Now, this daily buys level at $50, that was the level that Kathy Woods was defending. Uh, and this is where she went a little heavy. And that was the last time you saw price um, sub 50. And since then, it's been off to the races. Price did hit resistance level at roughly $110, bounced back into what I'm calling daily buys at $78, and then moved higher, potentially and almost hitting that resistance and that psychological round hole number at $200. Now, before we continue with the analysis, we're going to look at the actual news. So Coinbase posted fourth quarter income that topped Wall Street estimates as the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF boosted activity on the exchange platform. Coinbase reported earnings per diluted share of $1.04 in the 3 months ended on December 31st, above expectations for a loss of 1 cent per share. Trading volumes climbed to 154 billion from 145 billion in the same period a year ago. Now, total transactions revenue jumped 64% year over year to 529 million in Q4, while subscription and services revenue, which climbed 33% to 375 million in the fourth quarter. Operating costs fell to 838 million in the fourth quarter from 1.1 billion in the prior year period. Now, this was big. Reduction in that operating cost leading to more revenue. Now, here's what JP Morgan had to say. We see the higher cryptocurrency prices not only sustaining but improving activity levels and Coinbase earnings power as we look to the first quarter of 2024. JP Morgan said in a note on Wednesday after upgrading its rating of the stock to a neutral from underweight. Now, you have to remember, Coinbase is the custodian for all these U.S. Bitcoin spot ETFs. So they're going to be making money hand over fist on trading volume. The past bull market, Coinbase was relying on retail investors. Now, the retail investors aren't in yet. So that's just going to add to Coinbase's pockets once they come in droves. Now, kind of going back to the chart, I had did a video previously saying that this level near 110 would be a great opportunity to go long. Why? Because that was previous resistance. Typically, what's previous resistance? Once you get a breakthrough and a close above, you typically get a retest, and that becomes support. Now, what's next? What's next is that you're going to see price eventually break the $200 level, and then this $250 level, and then move higher, getting to what I believe is going to be all-time highs near that $400 level. Could it happen this year? Possible. Will it happen in 2025? Probably for sure, but we'll see, right? The next test is this level here. Now, this is a nice, this level right here. That is a nice weekly sellers level. You have this little drop in price, base and candle, and then the drop. Price tried to retest it, the zone, but couldn't. Tried to test it again and couldn't. So there are definitely sellers in this area. Now, by the time price moves higher, the buyers may overwhelm the sellers. So, we'll see. But for now, we have to put it in. at 2, say 230. Now what do you think? Is Coinbase going to break all-time highs this bull cycle? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please like the video.